I'm so excited. It has been so long, and now finally the moment has come that I can do the electric system, because the electric stuff is fun and I enjoy doing this work. So stay tuned to follow up how I mount everything and how you do it. At the moment it's a really big mess, but I have to figure out where to put all my stuff, how to place them, what I will do with the inverter and the batteries. Probably I will go straight to them, as the cables will be the shortest. I will not have it through my links distributor, but I think it will be okay.
It's a strange kind of phase when you let go, let your life flow like a river. Break away from material ego. You never know what's around the corner for you. We all got our beefs and struggles, but we keep on trying to hide it. Working so hard to keep it together. Maybe it's time that we let go. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. Say we're moving on one step at a time.
A good thing if you mount everything on a board or on a wood piece, I basically can wire everything finish beside of the wires I have to connect inside the car. But every connection in between, I can prepare everything here, and it's really comfortable to do it in a decent height. So stay tuned to follow up.
We're moving on one step at a time to something better. Maybe the day will be better. Okay, deep in a world of secrets, that's where you find the magic. Easy to disbelieve it, difficult to imagine. We are unstoppable if we break down the walls, yeah. We all got our beefs and struggles, but we keep on trying to hide it. Working so hard to keep it together. Maybe it's time that we let go. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. We're moving on one step at a time.
So everything is now set for now, as I cannot do any more, so I need to mount it in the car. And now I have to use a heat shrink, but I don't have a heat gun and the shrink, but I will fix it later. Same that I have to use torque on the screw bolts.
Maybe the day will be better.
Haven't we made it, my love? Oh, honey, look how we made it this far. Hasn't the pace been alarming, honey? The
So everything of the main devices are connected here now. I see that the solar array is going to let some current flow here. So in that case, we'll set breaker a switch for plus and minus.
We've come so far since we began this love. Been through the trenches, seen so many ups and downs, like we barely even touched the ground. I love you more each day, and I pray I can push my ego out the way, let you know it'll be okay. Yeah, whenever times get rough, you ain't gotta be tough. I find a way to go back in time, find a way we can press rewind. So I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time. Oh, I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time. One shining moment. Oh, I remember when you used to call for me.
This is the current status of the electric system. So everything is mainly mounted at the moment. So just to fix up in the pipes and the cables. And same here below. And everything is good to go. So here we have a socket and here we have a heating cable. And there's the light for the switch, the dimmer for the bathroom. And the heating cable works actually fine. It's about drawing 12 amps and it's a 150 watt heating cable. We'll have a job to do to connect the heating element to the water heater. Here we have a fuse for the power inlet. It's connected to the inverter. And here's the fuse for the consumptions, 230 voltage. And here we have hidden both of the batteries, and this is the fuse for the inverter. Some more stash, a 230 voltage socket. This is the light switch. This is for the auto term control panel, both for the heater and the water boiler. And this is the nice Oaks Beam dual switch panel. One is here and one is in front. Here I can control the water pump. Here is for the fan. This is basically the diesel heater. This is the fan for the max fan and the fan for the toilet, inside light and the fridge. So it's really convenient to have it and it's good to use. I hope I could give you some good insights in this episode and see you in the next one.